Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P059F indicates a malfunction in the shutter grille assembly of the Honda Accord from 2017 to 2023. The shutter grille plays a crucial role in managing airflow to the engine and improving engine efficiency and aerodynamics by opening and closing its slats based on temperature and speed. Located at the front of the vehicle, the assembly involves multiple components, including the actuator that adjusts its position. When this DTC is triggered, it suggests that the shutter grille is unable to operate effectively, potentially impacting performance and fuel efficiency. To troubleshoot this code, it's important to understand the entire system, including related DTCs like P059F, P059F, and P059C0, which reflect issues with the actuator and temperature management. These associated codes indicate both mechanical and electrical concerns that can stem from various factors. The shutter grille assembly plays a vital role in managing airflow, which is essential for optimizing engine performance and fuel efficiency. It's located at the front of the Honda Accord, directly in front of the radiator, and is designed to open and close based on various conditions. The assembly works in conjunction with the shutter grille actuator, which physically adjusts the position of the grille slats. Related DTCs include P059F and P059F, indicating specific actuator malfunctions, while P059C0 points to temperature-related issues within the actuator. If the assembly is malfunctioning, it can lead to increased engine temperatures or poor aerodynamics. Therefore, understanding the operations and potential issues in these components is crucial for effective troubleshooting. The possible causes for DTC P059F include several factors that can affect the operation of the shutter grille assembly. First, wiring issues, such as shorts or breaks in the electrical connections, can prevent the actuator from functioning properly. Second, a malfunction within the shutter grille actuator itself could lead to failed communication or physical movement of the grille. Third, the condition of the grille is paramount. Damage or improper fixation can prevent it from sealing or adjusting as required. Additionally, foreign materials lodged within the grille's mechanism can obstruct its operation. Each of these potential causes should be carefully examined during the troubleshooting process to ensure accurate diagnosis and effective repairs. When the DTC P059F is active, the driver may experience several noticeable symptoms. A common symptom is a reduction in engine performance, as the grille is unable to regulate airflow effectively. This can lead to increased temperatures within the engine, affecting overall efficiency and potentially causing overheating. Drivers might also notice warning lights on the dashboard, indicating a malfunction in the engine management system. Other symptoms could include decreased fuel efficiency due to improper aerodynamics or engine cooling. Over time, if these issues are not addressed, they might lead to more significant mechanical failures. Therefore, monitoring for these symptoms is vital for timely intervention. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P059F involves verifying the problem through a systematic approach. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which activates the onboard diagnostic systems without starting the engine. Next, use the HDS or Honda Diagnostic System to clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. This step ensures that you're working with the most current data. Once cleared, start the engine and let it idle to return to a stable operating condition. After letting it idle, check for any confirmed or pending DTCs with the HDS. If DTC P059F, along with any of the related codes like P059F, P058 or P05C0 reappears, it confirms that further investigation into the shutter grille is necessary. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC P059F, turn the vehicle to the off or lock mode to safely conduct inspections. Then, carefully check the condition of the shutter grille. Examine it for any signs of damage, loose parts, or foreign materials that might obstruct its operation. This includes looking for bent, broken, or detached components which could hinder the grille's ability to open or close properly. If the shutter grille is found to be damaged, appropriate action should be taken to repair or reassemble the part as necessary. Completing this inspection is essential before moving to the next troubleshooting steps, as a compromised grille could directly lead to the DTC being triggered. During troubleshooting Step 3, it's crucial to check fuse number A30, which supplies power to the shutter grille actuator. With the vehicle off, inspect this fuse for continuity. A blown fuse can indicate an underlying electrical short. If the fuse is intact, that suggests the wiring and actuator may still be functional. However, if the fuse is blown, it is necessary to track down and repair any shorts in the +B shutter grille upper wire between the grille and the A30 fuse. After addressing any issues, replace the blown fuse to restore electrical integrity. This step helps ensure that power is reaching the actuator and that it can function as intended. In troubleshooting Step 4, disconnect the 4P connector associated with the shutter grille. With the vehicle in the off or lock mode, measure the voltage between test points 1 and 2, which corresponds to specific terminals on the disconnected connector and the body ground. This checks if the +B shutter grille upright wire is delivering battery voltage as it should. It is essential to ensure that there is an adequate voltage supply, since a failure in this line indicates an open circuit, which could prevent the grille actuator from receiving power. If voltage is present, the issue may lie elsewhere in the actuator itself. If not, further investigation into an open circuit must occur. In the fifth step of troubleshooting, continuity between test points 1 and 2 must be verified with the shutter grille 4P connector disconnected. This check ensures the GND line is operational, providing a necessary return path for the electrical current. If continuity is confirmed, it indicates that the grounding is intact, suggesting that the shutter grille itself needs replacement due to failure. Conversely, if there is no continuity, an open circuit exists in the GND wire, which must be repaired to restore proper functionality. This step is crucial, as a compromised ground can disrupt the performance of the actuator and lead to further electrical malfunctions. After conducting all necessary repairs pertaining to DTC P059F, a final repair verification step is essential to ensure that the problem has been addressed effectively. This involves test driving the vehicle under normal conditions to see if the DTC reappears, indicating that the previous issues have been resolved. During this test drive, monitor the operation of the shutter grille, checking its responsiveness and functionality in adjusting airflow as required. If the vehicle operates smoothly and there are no warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, it signifies a successful resolution to the issue. Finally, always ensure that all repairs are documented and any replaced parts are logged for future reference, contributing to the vehicle's overall maintenance history. Preventive maintenance is crucial to ensuring that the shutter grille assembly functions optimally over the lifetime of your Honda Accord. Regular inspections of the grille and its actuator should be part of routine vehicle maintenance. Keeping the components free of debris and foreign materials will help prevent malfunctions before they occur. Additionally, it's beneficial to monitor for any diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, periodically using the Honda Diagnostic System. early detection of any potential issues allows for timely repair, avoiding more significant problems in the future. Following a maintenance schedule as outlined in your owner's manual will contribute to the longevity and efficiency of the vehicle, ensuring the shutter grille system remains intact. In conclusion, understanding the shutter grille system's operation and troubleshooting methods for DTC P059F is essential for maintaining your Honda Accord's performance. By following the structured troubleshooting steps, which begin with verifying the problem and examining relevant components, you can effectively diagnose and resolve issues that may affect engine efficiency and performance. Regular maintenance, including inspections of the shutter grille and related wiring, will help prevent future occurrences of this DTC and ensure your vehicle runs smoothly. Awareness of possible symptoms and causes allows for proactive management, ultimately contributing to the vehicle's reliability and longevity. Always prioritize a thorough approach to both diagnosis and repair to maintain the optimal performance of your Honda vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.